Hey, what's up everybody? It's our second episode for the Unexpected News, and today I'm going to be talking about the recent news about the possibility of a ninth planet in our solar system rejoining us, because we all know what happened to Pluto back in 2006. Yeah. So what it basically boils down to is that scientists have discovered something out in the furthest points of our solar system, a possible ninth planet, now dubbed Planet 9, which ironically, it could be better. It could be a lot better. Is beyond Neptune and is hypothetically massive in size, giving an explanation to as why materials in the Kuiper Belt are being pulled in strange orbits and in the same direction, a question that scientists have been trying to explain for a pretty decent amount of time. Which brings me back to this point that I usually give to people when I'm talking about this topic the last few days. This has actually been brought up before a few times, which actually led to the discovery of Pluto by Clyde Tombaugh in 1930, I believe. He was actually theorizing that there is a planet called Planet X, which is orbiting on a much further orbit of the sun, and its mass was huge. So his search for that actually led him to finding Pluto, which we all know again what happened to that. So this was actually a thing that scientists have been trying to figure out for a while now, and it seems as though they are back on the search for this new planet. But ironically, guys, Mike Brown, which is someone who actually helped knock down Pluto to being a dwarf planet, is supporting this new planet's existence, which I find is kind of, I don't want to say ironic, but it's just, I find it silly that, like, out of all the scientists, like, just that dude, yeah, I'm on board with both of these things. But technically, it's theorized that this planet, Planet 9, is theorized to take about 10 to 20,000 years to orbit the sun, and due to it being so far away, it cannot reflect enough sunlight for us to observe it easily with our telescopes. And kinda, guys, we don't know where to look in the night sky, so space is pretty massive, and that even though this thing is huge, it's gonna take a while for us to actually find and pinpoint the exact location of this place. So what do you guys think? Write down in the comments below, were you surprised by them announcing that the possibility of a ninth planet? Or are you kind of a little bit disappointed that they called it Planet 9 and not something a little bit more interesting? Let me know in the comments below, and stay tuned for the next video and next news update if one comes about. So I'll see you then.